Okay, my van just passed California smog test, so I'm good to go for another 2 years. So I'm gonna do an update on the original rattle can bedliner paint job here on YouTube. 4 years old. It might be 5, but I know it's at least 4 years old now. So let's take a look. Quick walk around here. Okay, so peeling right here. See, it's chipping, it's flaking. It flaked like 2 years ago. I kind of half-assed touched it up, but I'm gonna fix that up. But here's where the weakness is. It didn't want to stick on window too much, but everywhere else it's pretty good. Held up nicely. It peeled right here a little bit. You can see the chrome, got to touch that up. Where else? Yeah, a little chip here. It's no big deal. But yeah, pretty much the weakness has been the windows. See, that's peeling. This peeled pretty bad. And then on the back ladder, this chipped. Didn't stick to chrome very well. Stuck here. Touched that up a tiny bit. So yeah, flaked a little here, but 4 years old. 4-year-old paint job, maybe 5. Still looking good.
Gonna sell it?
Nah, man.